everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing something really exciting and something different. I'm actually sitting on my bed right now chilling. It's been a long day after work, so I decided to, make use of this face before I take my makeup off. So yeah, also I changed my hair color. Yeah, it's a work in progress right now. It still needs to be toned quite a bit. I was aiming for grey, but I'm actually a blonde right now, so we're just gonna deal. Don't come for me with regards to Indians being tan and blonde, because I'm not having it, okay? Keep your opinions to yourself. So in today's video I'm gonna talk to you guys about this amazing Dove hand cream and this awesome Pamper pack I got sent from Rubybox. I'm super excited, and yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about some of the stuff I received and my experiences with them so far, and honestly talk to you guys about one of the most amazing hand creams I've ever tried. Like, I'm pretty much ready for winter, honestly, truly. So yeah, they sent me an amazing Pamper pack. I have this really nice nourishing oil care treatment mask, which I haven't used yet, and then they sent me a shea butter Dove bar, which I'm really excited to use. I've definitely been like a Dove bar soap fan for such a long time. Like, trust me, I have a Dove bar soap somewhere in some bag for traveling. Trust. And then they also sent me this invisible dry, which I really have been enjoying so far. I only wear black for work, and this works really well. There's no stains, no residue, and I mean, it does say test run has 100 colors, so really like this so far, and it smells amazing. All of this stuff smells amazing, you guys. I'm obsessed. And then lastly, before we move on to the hand cream, is this Nourishing Oil Care Daily Treatment Conditioner. And oh my god, you guys, you guys know, whoever's bleached their hair, you know how dry your hair can get. I literally needed to tone my hair, and this was the closest thing to me, so I mixed this with some purple pigment, and it moisturized my hair so well. You can see my hair is toned in blotches, but whatevs. But it moisturized my hair so well. Like, I haven't had any issues with my hair getting knotty or tangly or anything of that sort since I've used this, and I'm obsessed. Like, you can see how much I've used already. Yeah, your girl's gonna have to buy another one of these, you know what I'm saying? So now moving on to the star of the show, and the one thing that I was really most excited to try was definitely the Dermaspa Goodness Indulgent Hand Cream, and this is specifically for dry skin. So that's what it looks like, and at work we are always using hand cream because we're constantly washing our hands, and oh my god, I took it to work the one day and we were all obsessed with this hand cream. So this is what it looks like. It smells amazing, and literally it absorbs right into your skin. Your hands are so moisturized afterwards, it's insane. One of my colleagues has such dry hands, you guys, such dry hands, and she literally applied this and her hands look so moisturized. It didn't even look like her hands belonged to her. You know, like when your skin just changes, like in the way it glistens, it doesn't even look like it belongs to you anymore. So I don't even know if that's making any sense, but we were so shook because she has the driest hands out of all of us and the most driest skin. But like when you put our hands close to each other, like you could not tell whose hand has the dry skin. It was amazing, and like I am so shook. Like, I'm telling everybody about this hand cream because it honestly and truly is amazing. For the winter time, it's the bomb.com. If you guys are always washing your hands, I highly recommend this hand cream. It smells amazing. It absorbs right into the skin. It doesn't matter whether you have dry skin or normal skin, you're definitely going to benefit from this because it absorbs right into the skin. There's no residue on your hands. It doesn't affect anything. So yeah, I really like it, and it claims to be fast absorbing, which it definitely is, and it also gives you even luminous looking skin that feels velvety soft, and it is not lying when it says that. So I definitely, guys, I'm blessed to be living this life where I constantly get sent products to try out, and honestly, this baby is going to stay a constant in my handbag. I'm gonna keep repurchasing this, and I might just, you know, leave it in our hand cream drawer at work and just, you know, keep refilling the stash because we all love this at work, and it's really the bomb.com. So yeah, that is it from me. I just wanted to show you guys all these amazing goodies that I got from Dove. Thanks to Rubybox. Thank you guys so much for sending me all these amazing goodies. If you guys would like to, you know, hear more from me, and you guys like these chilled videos where I just chill on my bed and talk to you guys, comment down below, let me know, and you know, I'm all about that life. And I'm also going to try and film more frequently as much as I can. I know my schedule was 3 times a week and I work 6 days a week, but I'm gonna try and keep up my 3 times a week schedule. That's a promise I'm making to you guys now with this video. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day, every day, with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Also, sorry that I'm in my onesie. I come home from work and I just get comfortable in my onesies. That's that, okay? Love you guys.